So the composition of body is today's topic. In average adult, 60% of body weight is water, and 60% of body weight is water, and 8% is protein and its constituents, and 15% is fat, and rest 7% is minerals. Okay. What I said is constituents of body. In average adult, 60% of body weight. I am talking about body weight. So the 60% of body weight is water, 8% is protein in its constituents, and 15% is fat, and the rest 7% can be minerals. The majority part is made of water, so the major component of body weight can be considered as body water, and this body water is divided into two parts, ICF and ECF. So talk about body water, that is 60%. It is further divided into ICF and ECF. ICF is intracellular fluid and ECF is extracellular fluid. ECF is fluids contained within the cells and makes or forms 2/3 of body water and 40% of total body weight. Okay, 40% of body weight will be formed by ICF or intracellular fluid. Now talk about ECF. This ECF forms 1/3 part of total body water and 20% of body weight. Okay, 1/3 of body water and 20% of total body weight. It is further divided into two components, intravascular fluids and extravascular fluids. Intravascular and extravascular. Okay, next. So what I said, that the body water has two types, is ICF and ECF. ECF further divided into intravascular and extravascular. Okay, intravascular and extravascular. Intravascular fluid is 25% of ECF. This ECF 25% is intravascular fluid, but forms 5% of total body weight. Only 5% of total body weight. Okay, total body weight. Whereas extravascular fluid, that is extravascular fluid, that ECF type, second type extravascular fluid, it is 75% of rest, means if 100% is ECF, then it's 25% is intravascular and 75% is extravascular. So this extravascular, that is 75% of ECF, forms 15% of total body weight. Okay, 15% of total body weight formed by extravascular and 5% of total body weight formed by intravascular fluid. Okay, now talk about some in detail. So total body water is 36 liter. Then further intracellular fluid is 24 liter. Extracellular fluid is 12 liter, and further extracellular is intravascular and extravascular. So intravascular is 3 liter and extravascular is 9 liter. Okay, so the fluid is that lies in intravascular, that lies around RBCs. This is plasma, and the fluid that lies around all cells other than RBCs is called interstitial fluid. Okay, interstitial fluid, and the fluid that is lies around joints and pleural cavity and pericardial cavity is called transcellular fluid. Okay, let's revise. Okay, what I said, we study about composition of body. In average adults, 60% of body weight is water, 8% is protein and its constituent, 15% is fat, and rest 7% is minerals. Okay, so the majority of body weight is 60% water. In this 60% body water, 40% body weight formed by ICF, this is intracellular fluid, and rest 20% of 60 and 40, and then 20 is made by ECF, that is 1/3 part of body water. Okay, then further next, ECF, that is extracellular fluid, is divided into intravascular and extravascular. Intravascular and extravascular, we further read about this. Then this intravascular is 25% and extravascular is 75%, and this will form 5% and this will form 15% of body weight. Then if we talk about a flow chart, then body water is total if 36 liter, then in this 24 liter is ICF and 12 liter is ECF. Okay, in this 12 liter ECF, 3 liter is intravascular fluid and 9 liter is extravascular fluid. In this intravascular fluid, 3% that lies around only the RBCs is called plasma, and in ECF there is 9 liter is around the cells of other than RBC is called interstitial fluid, and the fluid that lies around joints and pleural cavities and pericardial cavity is called transcellular fluid. Okay, then the normal cell functions depends on composition of interstitial fluid. It constitutes the internal environment of body. Internal environment. So this internal environment of body also called So the internal environment of body is kept constant by multiple regulatory factors. So these all multiple regulatory factors kept this internal environment constant, and this process is called homeostasis. We will study further in next video about homeostasis. Okay, so stay tuned and keep watching my videos.